Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm planning to buy Adani ports in the market level now around 705. So I just bought it now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So right now it's the opening time of a market and the market looks bullish today. And also Adani ports also looks a bit of a bullish way because it has given a breakout on some of its resistance which I've seen according to my studies. So let's see how the stock will perform. So plan to take the target up to like 5 or 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform. So let's aim if the stock can touch up to 710 or 711 from now. Okay. So yes, we have just bought it and the stock is currently trading around 705 again, and the high made as of now is 708.30. So that was a spike what it has made in the opening time of that movement. Okay, so it opened around 698.90 and went up till 708.30, and the low made is 693.15. So these are the spike movement what we get in the opening time itself. Okay, so anyways, let's see how the stock will perform. So we have bought it according to my view and according to my study. So let's see how the stock will perform. And guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a good trading setup. And also, not only the strategy, you need to know how to do the money management and also how to pick a right stock and when to do a right entry and everything. So, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. Okay, so the course price are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what is spent for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. Okay, and you can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So I trade without indicators and I'll be teaching you the exact same techniques, and also you will be getting the same trade update whatever I'm taking. Okay, the same trade what you're seeing right now, you'll get the same trades as well once you join us. Okay, so guys, now we are back to the trade and you can see here the stock has touched 706 levels here. So if that 708 levels gives a breakout, we can expect fast movement is what I'm guessing. So let's wait for that movement to give a breakout. So still trading around 706 and 707 as of now. I think it will take some time to give a breakout, and let's see after the breakout how the stock can perform. So you can continue to see the live trade now how the stock is going to perform. So 708.30, 708.6. So guys, yes, we have got a breakout on the candle high here. So 708 now, 709. So yes, we are almost close to the target. 710, close to 710. 709 again. So yes, so guys, 710.30 is a new high what it has made. So guys, yes, if you guys wish to learn how to make constant profit like this and want to learn this unique techniques, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me personally, and I'll be guiding you guys personally. Okay, so let me take the exit and update you. So guys, as you guys can see here, the stock made a high of almost 711.95, almost 712. So I just took the exit by booking 6 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Adani ports. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.